Business lines of credit. BankBreezyDirect.com with Brian M. Hazel. If you run a business, you know cash flow doesn't move in a straight line. Expenses rise, costs usually get covered before compensation. Daily payables can't wait. These problems can be solved with a business line of credit. Think of it like a reusable safety net. You're approved for a limit, say $50,000, and you only draw what you need when you need it. You only pay interest, only on what you borrow, and when you pay it back, the credit becomes available again. It's flexible, fast, and built for short-term gaps. Unlike a term loan, which is one lump sum with fixed payments. Here's how it works. Step 1. Apply at BankBreezyDirect.com. They'll look at time in business, monthly revenue, but not necessarily credit score. Common ranges: $5,000 to $600,000 for small businesses. Prime borrowers can go much higher. Terms vary. Banks say no. We say yes. We understand time is money. So, you'll experience fast approvals, leverage your working capital for rapid expansion or to fund a marketing or ad push. Turn your revenue into growth. Stop waiting on traditional banks. We are here to help. Buy inventory ahead of demand, elevated fuel costs, repairs, or any surprise opportunities. No hard credit pulls down payments. Funding for long-term assets. The fastest capital solution for 2026. Apply in minutes. Visit BankBreezyDirect.com to see your options. Enjoy the flexibility of on-demand working capital with the power of a term loan. It's time to learn the 2026 advantage of revenue-based financing. Bank statements unlock business capital, create immediate fundability. Don't let cash flow become the end of your dream. Unsecured business lines of credit. If you have been searching for a way to upgrade, preserve your cash while putting new assets to work. Stop letting opportunity pass because of slow-moving lenders. Start with a smaller limit, use it responsibly, then request increases. Best practices I follow. Set a clear payback plan before you draw. Keep your utilization low when possible. Strategically use the funding for maximum returns. We've pulled back the curtain on how entrepreneurs are being empowered. Where to apply? BankBreezyDirect.com. One simple application. High-speed capital solutions that say yes when others say no. Explore the benefits of personalized concierge services. Enjoy flexible programs and full support. Same-day flexible funding designed for all credit levels. If time-sensitive, stop letting gatekeepers hold you back. Business capital with easier qualifications for 2026. Traditional banks are outdated. Utilize our streamlined, take-control business funding strategy. A business line of credit is a tool. It works best with a plan. Use it to increase cash flow and seize opportunities. Solve deeper financial problems. Get approved before you need it. Know your numbers, and treat every draw like an investment with a clear return. Brian M. Hazel and BankBreezyDirect.com. Growth Capital Resourcing. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now.
These are revolving line of credits, meaning once you take money and use it, it's not available to use anymore, but when it's paid off, it's available again. It's revolving. So line of credit from $6,000 to $100,000 typically. You take the funds out as needed. You only pay for the funds taken. So there's a weekly cost for the funds you've taken out. And as you pay back, the funds become available again, thus the revolving, just like a credit card. If you had a $10,000 credit card balance, you spend $5,000, you only have $5,000 balance. If you pay off that original $5,000, now you get $10,000 balance again. It's very same. That's a revolving credit card. Well, these are revolving lines of credit. Okay, minimum qualifications. It's like our core rate preferred product. Got to be in business 2 years. Got to be doing 250,000 annual sales. Must have a business checking account. The owner's FICO score is 675. Frequency deposit helps. Number of NSFs hurts. And average daily balance helps or hurts. So it's very similar to our core rate funding product. It's a hard product to get approved for, but most businesses who are brick and mortar, as long as they got that FICO score, are doing the sales to qualify for this, but certain industries, they just won't do it for, right? The terms, it's a little different than our business funding. They base your repayment on 12 to 24 month terms. What does that mean? It's a line of credit, but you got to pay a minimum payment each week. They determine the payment based on, let's say you took money out. They're going to figure out how much you'd have to pay it off in 12 months or 24 months. And that becomes your weekly payment. Okay. So, and sometimes it's only a 12-month term. Sometimes it's 24. Draw fees, $0 usually. Sometimes there's a draw fee, $20, something like that. But typically the draw fee is $0. There's no monthly fee on our products. This can all change. Sometimes the providers reserve the right to start charging. Right now, there's no monthly fee. Interest cost is approximately 96.96% weekly. What does that mean? That means, let's say if you took out $1,000 at 96% interest, you'd pay about $960 weekly, would be the interest charged. Interest. So you're going to pay $9.60 in interest per week until you pay that $1,000 off, right? But you have to pay part of the principal each week too. Remember, that's where we talked about that 12 or 24-month term. So let's say you're at the 12-month term. They'd say, okay, you're going to pay $1,000 off in 12 months. That would be, well, divided by 52. Just for simple math, let's just say it's $20 a week. Would pay it off in a year. Well, that wouldn't do it actually. $30 a week would pay it off in a year, but then there's the interest of $960 as well. So your payment would be about $39, let's just say a week for a year, and you'd pay that off. Now, if you pay the $1,000 off tomorrow, you don't owe that $960 anymore.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.